at noon on Tuesday, May 8, 2018. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a wind advisory in effect until 2 a.m. Thursday for the following counties. In Los Angeles, Ventura, and Orange County, a wind advisory is in effect from 12 p.m. Tuesday to 2 a.m. Thursday. A wind advisory means winds can be strong and winds can reach up to 30 to 50 miles per hour. Take precautions when you're driving in these strong winds. Be prepared for blowing wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. These winds can also knock down power lines and trees. Use extreme caution when driving. Repeating, a wind advisory is in effect from 12 p.m. Tuesday to 2 a.m. Thursday.